I'd like to start our investigations, each new group, with a little guided meditation. It just kind of helps us get in the zone and literally put out the vibe. We're only going to try and talk to things that are into the type of vibe that we want. So we like to do this before every investigation, and it's something that might help you guys through the rest of the night too. So if that sounds okay.
You got 2 more coming?
Hey, come on in. Perfect timing.
Good timing.
It's just a nice way to kind of
We'll all just sit
reset.
here and watch you walk up to
Yes.
the quietly.
Okay, everybody get comfortable. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes. And I want you to imagine a little room inside your mind. There's nothing on the walls. There's nothing on the floor. There's no window, no doors. The only thing in this room that you can see is the faint glow of a light bulb hanging from the ceiling. And it's just a little glowing ember of light. There's only one way to make that bulb glow. It's to fill it with our intentions. There's a lot of reasons that we've all come here this weekend, but I think if you really think about it, it all boils down to communication. Some of us are here to hang out with friends. It's communication. Some of us are here to make new friends. It requires communication. Most of us are here because we want to try and talk to ghosts. It's communication. These things may not understand us. We might not understand them, but I think we can feel them. I have. I know some of you have. So hopefully that means that they can feel us too. The point of this exercise is to share our feelings with them and hopefully draw them in. What I want you to do is I want you to go through the little Rolodex in your mind of all the best conversations you've ever had. For some of us, it's talking to someone we haven't spoken to in a long time. Maybe it's a great date. Maybe it's holidays with family or friends. I want you to think about laughing until you cry with someone you love. When you find that memory in the Rolodex in your mind, I want you to stop, and I want you to live in that memory for a minute. Really feel how that conversation makes you feel. Feel the fluttering of the butterflies in your stomach, the goosebumps on your arms, the warmth in your chest, the beat of your heart. Really feel it. Live there. As you do, you'll notice that that light bulb starts to glow a little brighter. The more you can feel that feeling, the brighter that bulb gets. In a second, we're going to multiply that light by taking a deep breath. When we exhale, that bulb is going to get 10 times brighter. Take a deep breath in. Watch it glow. The things that we're trying to communicate with tonight, I hope they can see that light. I hope they can feel that warmth. And if that energy resonates with them, they're who we want to talk to. Take another deep breath in. even brighter. By now you can feel the warmth of the glow of that bulb. We're going to do that breathing exercise one more time, but this time that bulb is going to be so bright, it's going to be so warm, that the glass can't contain it. It's going to pop, it's going to spill into that room in your head, and the walls are going to come crumbling down. And I want you to visualize that light, that warmth, spilling out of your mouth on exhale, covering your body, feeling that warmth all over you, and then spreading out into all the corners of this room. But the light that you can take with you for the rest of the night, and hopefully you'll act as a lighthouse, a beacon for these entities. Take a deep breath in. Explode the bulb. If you can hear us, if you like how this feels, if you like how it sounds, how it looks, we want you to know that that's all we want to share with you tonight. We're not here to exploit you or hurt you or make you do tricks. We just want to share this feeling with you. We want to communicate with you. A lot of us have come a long way just for that. If that sounds nice, we'd like to invite you to join our circle. Just talk with us. In whatever way's easiest for you. All right. Look nice.
I've been pulling cards like for the past 2 days, and they're just kind of the same thing. It's just sort of kind of consistently reiterating the idea of expanding our consciousness maybe a little outside of its comfort zone when we think of the things that we're doing here tonight, when we think of communicating or ghost hunting or paranormal research or investigation. It's just sort of like reiterating. It continuously brings me back to this the idea of the elements and elementals, and that there's very likely a much weirder explanation for a lot of the activity that people experience here. These are literally the same ones. Literally exactly the same. It's the same. It's just the same thing. Like it's almost frustrating because it's so literal. But it's just about consciousness expansion. The idea that like what we're doing here might be a little bit weirder. It might be a little bit stranger than the idea of just kind of communicating with spirits. There's kind of stranger things going on here. Yeah, again, literally exactly this. These are the exact same cards I pulled the last time. I'll pull one more. Same thing. Again, just let's allow ourselves to expand our consciousness. I'm going to actually leave these out. Expand our consciousness just a little bit outside of our comfort zone while we do this tonight, because maybe what we're doing is a little bit stranger. So I have an idea.
Tell us what came up.
Yeah, so talking about the Four of Pentacles, it's been a lot of like reiterating elements. So bringing up each one of the suits continuously in order constantly. And it's been happening over and over and over again. And like pulling the Hanged Man, just sort of asking us sort of pivot your perception, pivot the way that you look at things, and let yourself maybe see that there could potentially be a broader and wider explanation for the strangeness going on here. Just allowing yourself to sort of sit in that space.
So you're saying not just dead people.
Not just dead people. Weirder things than dead people.
Well, this morning I pulled
Who'd have thought?
Ace of Cups,
Yeah.
Four of Pentacles.
Oh, you did the same thing?
Yes. That's so cool. I love that so much. Do you want me to do the Estes method?
Well, what do you guys think? You want Dana to do the Estes method?
I can do it.
Absolutely.
We did bring the Frank's box, but we get 0 reception in here.
It's so
Yeah,
bad.
so it's still getting nothing.
Yeah, so it's the trusty SB7.
Is that AM or FM?
Are you up for it?
I'm
Both.
doing,
Oh, it's both.
I'm good. Thanks for looking out for me, man.
got it.
Dana was unsure about it the other day because
Yeah, that's what we're saying.
she's had an ear infection for the last
She's feeling
week or
it.
so.
Bugging me a little bit, but it's okay. I'm feeling good today. I think what I am gonna do though
Yeah.
is I'm gonna kind of just stretch it more. I forgot my mask, so I'm using a COVID mask. You can mock, you can totally make fun of me. I deserve it. It's my fault. Okay.
I don't know, it looks okay.
Does the job.
It matches.
Yeah.
Big group.
Oh, already, huh?
Oh, yeah.
This is a big
It's
group.
a Dana night. Right into it.
You guys have good vibes. Like, that's the thing, you know, having a good group helps too.
We are a big group. Does that bother you?
Yeah, please also don't hesitate. If you've got questions you want to ask, please do.
Get her going.
All right.
Party group.
Yeah, see?
This is the party
Good group. The party group.
Shit.
I'll be moving on.
Who are we talking to? Do you have a name? You can make one up if you want. We just need to know what to call you. Oh, weird. Did you guys hear a loud bang?
No.
Adam just asked if we heard a loud bang in our area.
Oh.
Yeah, if you see me looking at my phone.
Interesting.
It is very interesting. Not because I'm bored.
Do you know what the loud bang was?
What's Adam doing?
I ask myself that all the time. I'm waiting for him to text me back. Whoa, okay, we did, and we thought it came from your area.
The creeper.
Oh, God.
We don't want a creeper.
This is Scooby Doo.
Find out who he really is.
Who's the creeper?
There's only 2. They like sneaking around.
God,
Would you?
it's the first time anything like this has come up.
Happen to know if dude
What? Can you rephrase the question? Where are the creepers now?
This is weird. It sounds weird. Just give me a second. I'm just getting used to it. There's like it's weird. There's the overarching, louder radio sounds, and then there's like a quieter one underneath. I've never heard it like this before. I'm just using the regular. It's weird.
I have heard that before. On the SB7.
Yeah,
Not much.
I can hear people too, yeah.
there's like a back area back there, and occasionally someone will pop their head out and be like, "Oh, they're worshiping the devil." Then they'll leave.
The pools around there.
Yeah, you
too.
said the pool's
Yeah.
out there, right? Yeah. Because we heard a child screaming last night, so that was a little weird.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Hello?
Hi.
Yes.
Howdy.
Hello.
Can you hear us now?
Did you say somebody was supposed to be?
Speaking of
last group.
That,
Whoever we were talking to was like, you can get a picture of me at the pool later. So like, make sure you take some pictures when you go by the pool later. And if anyone gets anything, please tell us.
What brings you to the island?
You're doing great, by the way. You know it's hard. You're doing a great job. If you put thoughts into her head, she'll say them for you. It's very hard for us to hear you otherwise. It's like a phone.
sorry, I'm just getting used to it.
Is that her?
That one, I don't think that was her. That didn't feel like Dana
It
saying
didn't.
it.
Yeah.
You're doing good.
Okay, hello.
Oh, hi.
Aye.
Is this Frank?
What could you tell me about this lady?
Oh boy.
No.
She only farts in her sleep. I can tell you that.
Allegedly.
She won't do it in front of me.
Not on airplanes.
Only when she's sleeping. And they are beefy. That's how you know she can't hear us. She would be so mad at me.
You've got a big.
Don't get your hopes up.
Wait.
A big what?
Wait.
Wait.
A big weight? I thought you were going to say big mouth.
Could you tell the party crew hello?
I think you just did.
We can hear you. Hello.
The party
Meow.
crew.
It was like sung, like meow.
What's your name? We need to know what to call you.
It, 3 times in a row, 3 separate, like, 80s ballads just went, wow! Like, 3 separate songs. And when I laughed, I heard someone go, what? All right. It's a good time here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're having fun.
Certainly is.
Yes.
Were you around in the 80s?
Big lights to follow here.
Good, 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 good. Do you like the lights?
You'll have to ask them, though, if you could,
Can you make the lights
if
change?
they can hear you.
Oh. I mean, what do you say? Lights? Can you hear us?
Hello, lights.
Do they have
If
names?
you can.
Did she say yes, they can?
If you
If
can.
they can.
Oh, if they can?
Oh, there was something that turned the lights on before.
Did you turn the lights on last night when the group was here?
If there's something here that wants to turn the lights on, why don't you go do that?
maybe you can talk to a painting.
He's calling you out.
Maybe
Yeah,
you
that's
can
just what I was thinking.
tell me about that.
There's a painting where Tanny is.
Oh, is
He's
there?
a portrait.
That's
Yeah.
true.
And
We were just talking about, we were like, who is it?
Yeah, he didn't know, and he said nobody could tell him who the person was. So it's like,
Operator.
Oh boy.
oh no.
It's you guys, goddammit!
Yeah, what do you expect, Greg? What is your time
Just
cycle?
ask.
Immediately
Who can you connect us to?
Is there anyone on Saturn?
say it. Hey,
What's your time cycle?
One day we'll figure out what that is.
I don't know, I have my doubts, man. Operator.
Are you still trying to connect?
weird sound coming in. Dispatch.
Oh.
What's your time cycle? Weird sound, like a radio interruption, like a weird interruption. Here, hey,
Yay!
Hey.
It's 2000.
rock on.
Yeah.
Oh my god, who are we talking to?
It's 2023 here.
Nice.
When are you?
This shit only happens with you guys.
Yeah.
Hi, Disco Greg.
Greg.
Weird.
I'm saying it last night. I don't know what the deal was with that. Disco Greg, huh?
It's like disco stew.
Disco ball. Yeah, what's up? What do you need?
It's another day.
It's another day.
Is there a disco song you like?
I'm pretty sure Connor
Oh, jeez. That's the cowboy.
can
Every time.
What?
I have the greatest hits on my shirt, so do you. Really? No.
Take your shirt off. Oh wait, flat on the ground, face down.
I have that shirt on from Mount Washington.
What about Connor?
We
What
both
can
did.
Connor do?
operator. Someone is trying hard, has been trying to get through this new route.
Do you know who? Or do you know what they want?
Peculiar. Encounters with space drummers. Morris
Oh, Morris came in last night.
again on the horn.
Hey, Morris.
We're ported in from Neptune.
Welcome.
What's the weather like on Neptune?
Hello, party people. Hi.
Hello.
Are there parties? on
Sparkling loved ones. Hello.
There's the new shirt.
It is a treat from space. This is my family. I am a cosmic DJ playing the hits.
Playing the
Kids.
hits.
Wow. Who's got a request?
Can you play a B
I can
flat?
play it.
Can
Saddle
we
up,
get 3 tones? Can we get bing, bing, bing?
cowboy
Oh no.
of the night.
Cowboys of the night, huh?
Tell Connor.
The request line is open. Excuse me.
Can you play the tones for us?
Let's play.
What's your number 1 requested song?
It's between us, right?
Yep.
Always.
Sure.
Your heads are on good.
I would hope so.
Thank you.
You're doing a great job.
One more time.
It's a good song.
Can you turn it up?
My drums,
Daft Punk does really
you
play
remember,
Last night,
are
Morris said he plays drums the size of spaceships.
spaceships.
Yeah.
Get it?
We get it. I don't understand it.
Alright, this might be the weirdest night with you guys ever. It's weirder every time.
I mean, were you there for the worm discussion?
Yeah. I wasn't.
Butt rock.
What?
Butt rock?
Talking about Nickelback now?
Extraterrestrials.
Butt rock extraterrestrial.
I know.
Party
I can't wait for all
people.
the artwork for the Cosmic DJ playing butt rock.
Yeah, how do you explain
Morris.
this to anyone?
What'd you do this weekend?
Here.
Play butt rock.
Hi, Morris.
What is happening?
I've been waiting in line.
Hmm.
Ah.
We can hear you now.
Who's the bouncer?
Encroaching in time with the speed of my space drums.
Is Morris the new Harlow?
But I like this better. I like your vibe.
We like your vibe.
Thank you.
Space Phil Collins.
It just went like. It was like a guitar riff. I have antenna ears to pick up all your radio stations. Let's play the hits.
What are your favorite hits?
Wow.
Do you have an important message you can give us? Something only you know that you can share with us?
This is just Dana. I'm sorry to anyone who has no idea what's happening right now.
This is a commercial for the museum. Please join.
Maybe a secret or a piece of guidance?
Let's ask the musicians to become sonic agents, please.
That's awesome. I don't even know what that is, but I want to do it.
It's musical elevator.
Huh.
Through the artist's gateway. Sounds can gradually enhance reality. That was very clear. I just thought these party people should know.
Thank you.
You get it, I'm sure.
I think so.
Next request.
Play the Bee Gees. Saturday Night Fever.
Disco Greg's favorite.
Disco Greg.
Greg.
I'm listening. What's up? Do not ask me to dance. Or sing. What's up? What do you need?
Follow the follow the family
Can you clarify?
If you have anything to say, you got 10
Yes.
seconds. 10.
we can help with that.
We'll talk again. 9. 8.
Let's have a jam sesh.
We will.
Weirdo.
7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Cool, man.
Thank you. Thank you. This was excellent. We'll talk to you again, Morris. Thank you.
That was fantastic.
That was pretty great.
That was weird.
That was weird.
Yes.
It was so funny too because it literally I heard butt rock.
All right.
Cosmic butt rock.
Cosmic butt rock. Yeah.
This happened to them yesterday because they all seem to be inside jokes.
Oh no! Every time this
Here's
group
the
is
thing.
together, the weirdest shit happens.
Years long joke.
Yeah,
Yes,
you might have
it's-
to like catch everybody up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've done a, yeah.
I told them it was
You
a
guys done
commercial
later?
for the museum.
Yeah.
Cosmic butt rock.
Well, guys, thank you for easily the most active, weirdest one we've had so far. I knew I could count on you.
Thanks, Cosmic butt rocker.
Thanks, Morris.
Everybody, enjoy the rest of your evening. Good luck.
Oh, shit.
Good luck
Let
to
us
you guys.
let us know if anything strange happens.
We will.